Can't believe I just messed up my exhaust. Man, it's always something.
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay my hook in the water. She liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe. I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds, ain't catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay.
Man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up.
Welcome back to another video. It's your boy TJ back again with another video, man. So if y'all are new, make sure you subscribe and also turn on post notification and click the bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. So I'm about to start off by moving my Focus ST right quick, and then I'm gonna move the charger over so y'all can see exactly what I done messed up on it. Got the key for the Focus. For the ones that didn't know, I don't even have to start the car up because it is a manual. Clutch in, put it in neutral, let the e-brake down. Well, let me get on the brake first, then let the e-brake down, then let it roll down the hill. I think that's it. All right, brake up. I'm gonna put it back in reverse since I'm on a hill going down. All right, let's start this charge up, and then I'm gonna put on a jack to lift up one side. Open these mirrors right quick. Ah man, what's wrong with this key fob? Now I wanna do it. Something wrong with it. Get the coast out. Alright you guys, man, so I did turn it around so y'all can get the light. Let it smoke coming out the exhaust tip. Look at that. Yes sir. Alright y'all, but the real reason is, let me walk around the car for y'all right quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all guys. Car looks good, real good. Man, it's something about that octane red. Show y'all the metal flakes in it. Well, it's in the sun. Got the metal flakes right there. Hope y'all can see it. Anyway, let's get right into the point. So, this is what I have messed up. Can y'all see it? Let me zoom in. Look at that, man. That's crazy. All the powder coat them came off of it. And the reason why is because it's driveway. We have to go at an angle because of the way the driveway is. So over time I had chipped it, and then just start cracking, and I just knocked off the rest of the pieces. So I found a cheap way just to fix it for right now. It's gonna blend in real well, so let me show you guys what that product is. Alright you guys, so I got this. Nope, not that. Where is it? Here it is. Plastic dip. Yes, it's plastic dip, and it will stick to your chrome pieces on your car, even when it's heated up by the exhaust tip or whatever. So I'm going to apply this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. First I need to get I'm gonna get some tape, and then I need to find some paper to wrap the exhaust around with, or any kind of paper. I'm gonna get newspaper. I'm gonna show you guys. Be right back. All right, you guys, so now I got some newspaper or whatever. I'm gonna use that to put around the exhaust tip. I'm gonna grab this jack so I can raise up the car some. Oh man. Find the piece where you want to raise it up. It's right there. And my e-brake is on. All right, that should be enough. I don't need that far in the air. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do to prep it, I already put alcohol on it, I cleaned it. There's a little residue on there, but I'm gonna tape around the exhaust tips. I won't overspray on this exhaust. There we go. That sounds good. Y'all, so I'm gonna spray one coat on here first. Make sure you shake it. Alright, this is gonna be the first coat. I'm gonna let it dry. It right there. That's the cheapest way to fix your muffler tip if you do not feel like going to get it powder coated. Here it is right here, plastic dip right there. Let me get some light. Yes, look at that. But yeah, it's time to take this off. This crap off. Good as new. Good as new. Still left a little piece on there I need to get off. Yes, sir. I fixed the problem with the crack. Well, it was crack at first. But yeah, I fixed the problem, so I need to be much careful with this driveway. Can't stand it. So it's time to let this car down right now and then just park the car back. Got a lot of grease on it, my goodness. All right, y'all, so yeah, it's time to let down this car. Let's, I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of more minutes and then I'm gonna start it right back up and park the car back in the garage. All right, y'all, so now it's all dried up. Let's start it up. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna turn this car around and park it back where it needs to be parked at. I'm just giving y'all an overview of this car, what it looks like right now. Man. Alright, so let me prop the camera back up. I must try not to drag. I'm gonna leave the car right here for right now. But yeah, look at the exhaust, looking much, much better. Let me zoom in for y'all. Look at that, like nothing never happened. So let me give y'all one more walk around. Woo, look at that paint. Also, if y'all have wrap pieces in your car, make sure y'all get this type of spray right here. Hold on, let me find it. Oh, there's mess in here. All right, this is some good stuff right here for if you have vinyl wrap on your car. Chemical guys, I'm not sponsored by them, but this is what I use for the wrap detailer or whatever. Vinyl wraps, clear, broad paint protection film. Make sure y'all use this. Let me spray it on the car and show you guys. See, I got this watermark, dried up watermark right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all see it. All right, I'm gonna spray some stuff on here for you guys. All right, got me a clean microfiber. Look at that. Alright y'all, man, so I'm about to wrap up the video right here. If y'all did enjoy this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notification. Y'all stay positive out there. Don't let nobody ever bring y'all down. Just keep on, keep your head up and everything else. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.